Months of hell have come to a heartbreaking end for a Perth family. The family claims it's been forced to lead its own investigation into the disappearance of a popular 26-year-old and that it finally got a confession that led to a bush grave in Meydka.
The Somali community says they led police to Abdullahi Igal's bush grave last night, a mass gathering in Meydka as major crime detectives launched a search there.
Are you okay? Bye, please.
Sorry.
He is a young boy, very nice and very gentle, honest person. He's not deserved to die like this.
This morning, police confirmed human remains believed to be those of the 26-year-old were found in bushland behind the Herb Graham Recreation Centre. Mr Igal's stepfather inconsolable. Friends and family of Mr Igal say they helped solve the crime after receiving a confession call from his alleged killer in Africa, who told them where the body was. They say they first raised concerns to police over Mr Igal's disappearance back in June.
And the police didn't do nothing for me because they said he's not missing.
They didn't cooperate with us. They were more careless.
It's the work that has been done by the Somali community here in Western Australia that has led to this finding.
According to police, Abdullahi Igal was only reported missing 3 weeks ago.
Police have executed a number of investigative actions, spoken to a number of family and friends, and to a number of government agencies to record any movement.
Around 100 members from the Somali community gathered here at the Herb Graham Recreation Centre this afternoon, where they were addressed by police in a private meeting. They say they're angry and are demanding answers. Police told the media to stay out. The community is demanding an apology, but say police stopped short of offering one today. A crime scene will remain set up at least until tomorrow. Ebony Ferranda, 9 News.